Hi guys, I'm so excited today that I got a new item from brand Sivga, their latest wooden headphone, the SV021. It is a close-back dynamic driver headphone, and of their last close-back headphone SV007 because I could use it in the office a lot. Now we already have a new one, so let's check it out together. The accessories of this headphone is very simple, but the quality looks really good, and the cable is around 2 meters. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us for all the latest audio gear unboxing, and tell me in the comments what you want me to unbox next.